Hi guys, so just want to take a couple minutes to go through the changes in Infinite Campus. So the first part is when you are in Infinite Campus, the control center. So I don't know how many of us actually use the control center, but this toggle right here will turn on and off the new features. So the kind of nice feature about this is that each of your classes will be here. You can see assignments. So this is 3 assignments that I need to grade for this class. And if this class was in session, to the left here, there would be a spot for me to take attendance. So if you like that, don't like it, remember you can toggle that on or off here. The new changes are happening in our gradebook. So if you navigate to your gradebook, right? And now when I click on add, this is where we got the facelift. The bad thing is that the assignment defaults are no longer available. So we will have to change everything back to marks, to the NECSD standards grading, and to the 4 points. I do have a call in asking how the workaround for this is. So for right now, I'm very sorry about that. But they are aware of that and how vital that is to us as teachers, that we need that feature. So I'm just going to put in my assignment name. Okay, and you can make it visible to class or not visible. Your date. I've been playing around with this. You can do the time. I don't know that it works that great. In other words, once I set the time, I don't see it anywhere. So it could be there, it could not be there. The students are all, so if I check this, if you gave an assignment to a couple students or like a makeup assignment, you can just assign it to those specific students, which is kind of nice. What happens now is instead of having to do an abbreviation, it automatically does an abbreviation for you. So your categories, I only have one category for this class, so this is where you would pick your classwork, homework, test, quizzes. It's going to be on quarter grade. And here's where the part where that assignment default, if you were using that in the past, was so handy, which now, unfortunately, we don't have access to that right now currently. Hopefully it'll be back. You're going to change the scoring type to marks. You have to make sure that you select NECSD standards grading, and we have to then change the points back to 4. So again, that is a little bit irritating, but hopefully with one of the updates that's coming out through IC, they will give us our assignment defaults back. So again, once I got to this section right here, we made sure that we chose the category we wanted: class, homework, test, quizzes. We made sure that the scoring type was on marks. We made sure that the mark calculation was NECSD standard grading, and we changed the points to 4. So now we would have to hit save. So this is the other new feature. Hit save, and now you are now able to share this with other sections that you have. So you come way down here to the bottom and you're going to click add edit. And again, I only have one group of rostered students to me, but what you would see here is you would click on add sections, and right here you'd have a little button that says add. So you could pick the sections that you want it to be. So that is pretty much the facelift that Infinite Campus got. Moving forward with this update, it was to promote other things that Infinite Campus is able to do, but it did take away that assignment default. So that's the only big thing that we found so far. Matt and I will be in the Eagle's Nest on Wednesday all day. I will be here just for Infinite Campus support, and we'll work through the day like that. So whether you need a couple tutorials or you just need to sit next to us and kind of just add a couple of assignments, whatever, we're here to support you in the best way that you need. And I'm hoping you're having a good Monday.